Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 146 Cheese Factory Road in Honeoye Falls.
This is the ultimate country estate with an over 13-acre creekside setting.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends with this impressive foyer, featuring 9-foot ceilings, transom and sidelight windows with diamond leaded glass inlay, and a custom staircase open to a spacious living room with French doors, crown molding, custom built-in cabinetry, and hardwood floors with access to the covered porch.
This custom-built home features gorgeous architecture with handcrafted woodworking and moldings, with a great room featuring a gorgeous cherry kitchen with a wall of windows, an expansive center island, and a dumbwaiter. Open to the dining area with deck access, and the living area with crown molding, a gas fireplace, beautiful hardwood floors, and porch access, plus an adjacent full bathroom.
The upstairs features 9-foot ceilings with 2 spacious bedrooms, featuring hardwood floors, including a primary bedroom with a walk-in closet and adjacent spacious full bathroom, plus an area for 2 to 3 more bedrooms and a bathroom, all with scenic country views.
This custom-built home features exceptional architectural detailing and craftsmanship of the highest quality, with a covered porch to enjoy the summer breeze, and a back deck to take in the scenic country setting. This is nature's paradise. This property is perfect for the outdoor enthusiast with over 13 private and scenic acres, with a gorgeous creek meandering through the property, and an outbuilding great for additional storage or horses.
Here we are in the charming village of Honeoye Falls.
It has great restaurants, shops, and of course, the famous Honeoye Falls.
This is beautiful Menin Ponds Park.
This is the largest park in Monroe County with over 2,500 acres of scenic ponds, groomed hiking trails, and pavilions for picnics. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 146 Cheese Factory Road in Honeoye Falls.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!